What's going on, guys? So, as you know, I fixed that cam cap. I also have off camera, when I put the valve cover back on, thought I cracked the valve cover over here, but thankfully it's not like an actual crack. It's a little crack, but it didn't go through, and it's on the side basically. It's not a problem. Put the wires on, plugs in, put this on, put the right turbo on. I had the other one on to see if I could use that with the drain line, but anyways, this is all on. So today we're going to take this stuff off. I still gotta wait a day, but for you it's gonna be like second for the timing tensioner and everything. But gotta rip all this off first and then start the process. But yeah, this motor's gonna be putting the intake on. Finally, fourth time's the charm getting the freaking intake manifold gasket. So I'll be getting that on right now. That's what I'm gonna do. Intake manifold's on. I went ahead and just ordered lower fuel injector, what do you call them? Fuel injector gaskets or seals or whatever you want to call them. So those should be on their way. Now I'm going to go ahead and get to taking this stuff off so we can go ahead and put the timing belt on when it's ready. Let's get it. So right now I'm actually going to put this this back on. I originally had this off because I was going to go with an external oil cooler and I didn't need this. But now I'm going to get the other one. So I'm going to put this back on. So I got to take off this turbo again. I think I'm just going to loosen this. Let's get behind it. So I didn't need to take it all the way off, but I got that water pipe on. I'm gonna go ahead and start this. Probably take off the motor. No, just gonna take off these pulleys, and I gotta put some of that stuff back on. So I'm gonna have to look. I don't exactly remember how to do it, but I'm gonna look into it real quick and see what I gotta do. In somewhat of an order, cleaned up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and say this right now. This is not really gonna be a how-to because, to be honest, I barely know everything that I'm doing. So I'm actually gonna take the valve cover back off for this, so I can go ahead and, you know, when I rotate, I can make sure nothing's binding in there. It's definitely worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll get started. For real. Valve cover's off. So I got to get these the two marks lined up. And the way I'm going to do that is I didn't buy any special tools or anything, which you probably should. I should have, but I didn't. Dowel pins have to be up. Dowel pins have to be up, and the marks have to be side by side. So right now, I mean, that's pretty good. Yeah, it's spot on. Alright, that's that. So, balance shaft is on point. Top dead center. I don't know if you can see that. That's on point. Now, for there's something special to do with the oil. I don't know, oil shaft or whatever you want to call this. You have to stick a rod in the back to make sure it's in the proper way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright, so I understand what they're talking about. See this? I don't know how dark it is. This little dot right here lines up where it's supposed to line up. Well, this can be out of phase. So there's a hole back here. You can stick the screwdriver in without hitting anything. Now if you do this one full turn right there, and it's still lined up, it looks good, but so it has to. Alright, so after a long while, I think I finally got it timed. There's the top. There's the oil pump. Crank. Balance shaft. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and spin it 6 times, see if it goes up. Alright, so like I just showed you, everything's done. Torque this down to 35 foot-pounds. I gotta torque this one down. But the grenade pin, I'll show you, pulls in and out. Oh, out and in, fine. That should be good on the belt tension. Everything's lined up. I'm gonna go ahead and spin the motor 6 times, or just double check with a friend to make sure I did everything correctly, because like I said, I don't really know, I'm just going as I go. And we're gonna spin it 6, probably more than 6, and make sure it still lines up, and then we gotta measure the distance right here. So let's get to that. Off, and I was gonna let me adjust this, but I totally forgot to put the pin back in tensioner, so I just struggled for like 30 minutes trying to get this thing compressed. It's not fun. You should really just get that tool that you sell. I was trying to find a rod. It's an M8 by 1.25. It goes right here and it pushes down on this, but I couldn't find a metric thread anywhere. I'm not spending $50 on a fucking threaded rod, but next time I will try to find the proper tool. Not the tool, but the rod. Alright, so everything's torqued down. Let's try this again. Alright, I'm finally done. So, that's the marks. Good. Good. I don't know if you can see in there. That's good. Done. Torque down, torque down, torque down. These are torqued, torqued. These are all good. This is torqued. So that's it. Finally done. I'm gonna fully reassemble this, and this is gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna put this back together, but you guys don't need to see that again. So she's timed. I'm gonna just waiting for the other oil filter housing to get in here, and then I'm probably gonna put the motor in. Hopefully, this is supposed to come Thursday. Hopefully it comes tomorrow. If it comes tomorrow, I'll put the motor in tomorrow, and that video will be out soon. Super excited. Thanks you guys for watching. Like I said in the beginning, it wasn't a how-to. There's better videos out there than what I can make, and I didn't have all the knowledge, but I got it done. It's not too difficult. Just take your time. And thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and if you have a question, leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright, I couldn't leave you guys hanging. Everything's put back together. all nice. Timing cover's on. Had to modify it a little bit, but that's fine. Oh yeah, super excited. I think I'm gonna try to drop this in tomorrow, possibly. But yeah. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to show you. See you guys in the next one.